This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Cynthia Tripp. Beautiful waterfront pool home in Viera East. Spacious 4-bedroom 3-bath split floor plan with stunning pool and lake views. Open kitchen/family room, formal living and amp, dining rooms, and a master suite with a large walk-in closet, double sinks, garden tub and separate shower. Generously updated kitchen has newer stainless steel appliances, breakfast bar, center island, pantry, and eat-in area with relaxing pool and amp, lake views. Neutral wood plank laminate flooring throughout. Large, screened pool with spa and ample patio space with ceiling fans to keep cool on hot summer days. Indoor laundry room with washer and amp, dryer for tenants' use. Lawn/pool maintenance and HOA fees included in rent. For more information, review the details below or contact Cynthia Tripp at 321-308-0361.